Yo, my beautiful people, welcome back to another video and thanks again for you all. I hope कि आप लोग अच्छे होंगे, सेहतमंद होंगे, खुश होंगे और आज 12 अक्टूबर है. So I'm planning to go for the meditation retreat for next 10 days. Alright, so I'll be back on 23rd October. देखिए हम लोग लाइफ में बहुत बिजी रहते हैं, काम के सिलसिले में बहुत सारे थॉट्स रहते हैं, ऑलवेज सोचते रहते हैं कैसा होगा क्या होगा. तो इस बीच हम लोग ज़िंदगी जी नहीं पाते हैं और जो चीज़ें होते हैं उनको हम दूसरे पर्सपेक्टिव से देखते हैं. ऑलराइट, तो मैंने अभी डिसाइड किया है कि मैं 10 दिन का जो है विपासना करूं, जहां पर हम लोग को मोबाइल फ़ोन, इंटरनेट, बुक कुछ भी अलाउ नहीं रहता है. बस वो ध्यान लगाना है, बैठना है, गुरुजी को सुनना है. ऑलराइट, सो देखते हैं कैसा एक्सपीरियंस रहता है. तो हम लोग निकलेंगे यहाँ से अप्रॉक्स 12:30 दिन के अभी. तो वहाँ 2-2:30 बजे पहुँचेंगे. उसके बाद दिखाएंगे आपको वहाँ का कैंप है कैसा है, कितना बड़ा है. और एक्चुअली ये एक रिजॉर्ट है, वो लोग वहाँ पर करवाते हैं. और जो इनके ब्रांचेस हैं ऑल ओवर द वर्ल्ड. टू बी ऑनेस्ट, अगर आप लोग गूगल करेंगे विपासना सेंटर इन द यूएई और इन द ऑल ओवर वर्ल्ड, तो आपको इनके सेंटर मिल जाएंगे. तो आई एम नॉट श्योर हाउ इज़ गोना बी, क्योंकि मेरा पहली बार मैं ज्वाइन करने जा रहा हूँ. तो अभी कुछ पता नहीं है कि कैसा होने वाला है, कैसा टास्क होगा, कॉम्प्लिकेटेड होगा, ईजी होगा. तो अभी मैं निकल रहा हूँ. यहाँ पर जो हमारे 3-4 बंदे हैं दुबई से जा रहे हैं, तो उनमें से एक बंदा कार लेके जा रहा है. तो पहले हम उनको मिलेंगे. वो रहते हैं डिस्कवरी गार्डन में, तो उनके पास जा रहा हूँ पहले मैं. फिर वहाँ से हम लोग पैकिंग करेंगे, फिर उनके बाद 2-3 बंदे और उठाएंगे. तो फिर हम चलेंगे रसल खेमा में. वेलकम बैक माय ब्यूटीफुल पीपल. सो अभी हम लोग ऑलमोस्ट हमारे सारे मेंबर मिल चुके हैं. मिस्टर रॉबी,
Hi.
से ही वी गो. नतालिया इज़ हियर, शी इज़ फ्रॉम ब्राज़ील. और मिस्टर विकास इज़ हियर ड्राइविंग. Alright, so it's going to be my first time.
For me also this is going to be a very unique experience. I hope so.
Yeah.
Okay, and for how many days you gonna do that?
10 days.
10 days. Also, I'm going for 10 days. Mr. Ravi going for 10 days, and Mr.
Everyone,
Vikas
I guess Vikas also
No,
going
no,
for
I'm
10
going for 3 days.
3 days.
Oh my.
तो उनके 3-4 बार ऑलरेडी हो गया है. शायद उन लोगों ने पहले आपने इंडिया में किया था ना,
India.
3-4 बार. तो जैसे कि मैंने कहा था, दिस इज़ माई फर्स्ट टाइम, सो आई डोंट हैव मच एक्सपीरियंस अबाउट दैट. सो आई विल शेयर माई एक्सपीरियंस इन ऑल आफ्टर हैविंग द 10 days कोर्स. मिस्टर विकास हैव डन ऑलरेडी. सो उनका जो एक्सपीरियंस था पहले का काफ़ी अच्छा था. इट्स as I said, the way you are going to see the world different perspective. How about Miss Natalia?
Yeah.
So this is gonna be your first time as well, yeah?
First time as well. Days, yeah.
10 days. That's lovely, yeah. And how about Mr. Ravi?
Yeah.
So what's bring you here on this situation
No,
to
look,
take?
I've been so a lot of my friends has done it before in India, and of course the feedback wise, the way Vikas wise just now, maybe told you, it's it's been a very the perspective of people seeing the world before Vipassana and after Vipassana has changed, right?
Right.
And then a lot in a positive way. So I hope that my experience also would be as good.
And how about Miss Natalia? How did you get into this 10 days Vipassana?
So I have a lot of friends that have done it as well. I have friends that do it every year. And I also know for 4 or 5 years, and I tried to go, but it was never the time, always something to do. And now I feel like leaving 2 years in Dubai, 2 years and a half almost actually.
Okay.
My head is so full, I need to make a download on everything and just clear the mind and have some time for myself.
Again, guys, as I said earlier, the work never gonna be finished, never gonna be end. We gonna die until. So always work is there. So always take not much, 1 week or 10 days, 15 days. It's not a big deal. So we can take for ourselves. तो जो लोग इंडिया में है, टू बी ऑनेस्ट, यू गाइस हैव ए गुड अपॉर्चुनिटीज़, बिकॉज इंडिया में आप लोग घर के पास में हो, वहाँ पर 2 महीने का 3 महीने का आप लोग कर सकते हो, राइट? सो ओके, सो नाउ वी आर हेडिंग टू रसल खेमा, क्योंकि यहाँ से ऑलमोस्ट 1 घंटे का रास्ता है, राइट? परफेक्ट. तो अप्रोक्स आज तो हमारा दिन, आज से शाम को हम लोग अभी 2 बजे वहाँ पहुँच के लंच वगैरह करेंगे. तो उसके बाद दे गोना कलेक्ट, दे गोना टेक ऑल स्टफ नो इंटरनेट, नो मोबाइल, nothing there, just you, yourself and your few clothes, alright, and one room there. तो उसके बाद 10 दिन तक ये चलेगा हमारा, किसी से बात नहीं, कुछ नहीं. सामने आपको नीचे देखना है, You don't have to talk to people. You don't have anything to do there. Just meditation, breakfast, lunch, sleep, and it's gonna be repeat again and again. So we will share our experience after 10 days. Mr. Ravi, आपको दुबई में कितने साल हो गए यहाँ पे?
Okay, so me, look, I came back in Dubai way back in 2010, but I again went back to India for 3 years, 3 to 4 years during COVID time, and then it's been just a year back, not even a year, 8-9 months ago, I came back to Dubai again.
What's your profession here? Like what you do for a living?
Look, so I used to work as a, you can say, sales and marketing in the sales and marketing field with the brands like Landmark, like Saraf Group.
Okay.
I was leading Oyo's business across Middle East and Southeast Asia. And went back to India. I started my own company in agri-tech, built an agri-tech company. That company is now running on its own. Of course, that company is more about developing technology for farmers.
All right, great. Good to hear that, Mister. Thank you for sharing with us. Yeah, appreciate that, man. Natalia, would you mind to share about like how long you have been in Dubai and how many places have you traveled all over the world so far?
Yeah, sure. So I came in Dubai 2 years and a half back. So I work in tech company as well. My husband as well. So he actually came because of a job opportunity he got. But then I got a job here like 3 months after, and then here we are. But I mean, my father lives in Portugal in Europe, so we go there here and there like every month to see him. I lived in Madrid as well, so I love Spain. It's my favorite place in the world. I really want to go to a few places in here. Like I've been to Thailand only, but I want to go to India and Indonesia and
So,
yeah, I think I've been around.
that's good. But so you never been to India yet, yeah?
No, I really want to go though. I want to do the yoga training course there.
Yeah.
For a few months.
For the, if you heard about the Rishikesh, the capital yoga of the world, it's called Rishikesh, right?
You'll find a lot of yoga retreats.
You know, the Bill Gates and
Yeah.
Facebook, Mark Zuckerberg also visited India, this place, Uttarakhand.
Yeah. So whenever I pass by there, so we can see the
Neem
temple
Karoli
there.
Baba.
Yeah. So to be honest, like I never realized, you know, like because हमेशा ना हम लोग वहीं से रास्ते आते हैं. The temple was very small before when we used to go that way, you know. But when the news comes out on the social media, so everybody was like wow, like they know the value of that place, you know. हमारे रूम में 3 बंदे हैं.
हमारा मेरा भी टीम वाला.
So wow, काफ़ी मतलब ऐसा लग रहा है काफ़ी पुराना इस पे लग रहा है. तो आज जो शायद बंदियों का है ना, बंदियों को इस साइड में है सामने, हमारा ही ऐसे कोठी टाइप में है. So we are going to keep the all stuff inside the locker.
First we come to the locker room only. Yeah, I have also not recorded anything.
Hi, good afternoon, sir.
How are you?
Very good. It's Puska. What's your name?
Hemant.
Hemant, Mr. Hemant. Great to meet you, man.
You're for 3 days, 10 days?
10 days, please.
10 days.
Yeah.
Can I have your registration card, please?
Registration.
Card, the white color card.
Okay. Yeah, here we go. You're talking about this car, right?
Yeah. This is very important.
Alright, thank you.
Just 2 minutes. You can have a seat. I'll just finish with them. Pushkar, right?
Yes, please.
Okay. So, do you have a car here?
This gentleman has car here. We came together.
Okay. So, it's your car, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So, I'll take your details later.
But I am going on 3rd day. They will go on.
It's fine. That's fine. Okay. So here you go. And this key. So 8. Mail is here. 8 number. Left, second row.
Perfect. Alright.
You can keep all your belongings there. Your wallet, cash, whatever you have. Yes, sir. You're for 3 days, right?
Yeah.
It says 23rd October. It says here for 10 days.
No, maybe by mistake.
It's only till 14.
15.
Okay. So alright, my beautiful people, I'm going to keep this stuff inside the locker. So see you after 10 days. and will share my experience. All right, so take care, stay safe, be healthy. Cheers guys.